Hi, it's Chris from Driver Training. We're going to follow the route for B4380 at Meole Brace Roundabout. And as you come down to it, you'll see the road markings on the floor saying B4380. So this is going to take us round towards Copthorne. So what we need to do is stay in the middle lane and then just wait for the lights to change. As we come round, if you look at the white sign on the left, that tells us now what lane we're going to need. As we look over to it, 4380 is the third lane from the left. So as we look ahead at the road markings, we want to figure out, well, that's number 1, that's number 2, so therefore this is number 3, this is my lane. So we go across into it. Now remember, with laned roundabouts, the idea is just stay between the white lines, don't cross them, and it will take us to where we need to go. As we come down now, this is where most get confused. So imagine those two curbs joined up. Look at the white line and the direction it's facing. So that shows us we're heading over to that left curb. We want to be as close to that curb as we are now. Don't cross the white line. The white line's coming from the left is for traffic coming from the retail park. So we just head across to that curb. Again, imagine those two curbs joined up, and we know we're just following it round. Again, not crossing the white line. That means we're changing lanes. As we look down, the road markings tell us 4380. This will then lead us round. It's just a case of slowing down on this bend because there's 4 cars able to go round at the same time. Keep in the lane, and that guides us off to the B4380 up towards Copthorne.